Question number 16. In Samuel Beckett's plays are usually described as A. Theatre of myth, B. Theatre of the absurd, C. Theatre of violence, and D. Theatre of dreams. The correct answer is B. Theatre of absurd. Theatre of absurd is the correct answer. So if you study Samuel Beckett's plays, his most famous play, Waiting for Godot, the predominant form is that it is difficult to understand what exactly is going on, what exactly is the plot or the flow of the story. It is difficult to, it is mostly left for the readers to decode what the playwright might be trying to convey through his characters, and the dialogues are a little bit cryptic. It's again subject to the reader for decoding and understanding. So it's a very absurd form of play. There's almost nothing concrete and confirmed in the whole form of his plays. So therefore it is called the theatre of absurd. Question number 17. Which African American novelist received the Nobel Prize for Literature? A. Toni Morrison, B. Alice Walker, C. Gloria Naylor, D. Zora Neale Hurston. So the options given to you, all the authors in here are African American novelists, but the one to receive the Nobel Prize was Toni Morrison. So option A is the correct answer. Toni Morrison, who received the Nobel Prize for her seminal work, Beloved. So Toni Morrison, option A is the correct answer. Question number 18. What is a Bildungsroman? Options are A. A novel where the hero is an architect, novel that shows the main character growing from childhood to adulthood. C. A novel that shows the main character growing from adulthood to old age. B. A romance or a romantic novel. So the options are A. A novel where the hero is an architect. B. A novel that shows the main character growing from childhood to adulthood. C. A novel that shows the main characters growing from adulthood to old age. And B. A romance or a romantic novel. Now the correct answer is B. A novel that shows the main character growing from childhood to adulthood. Bildungsroman novel is basically a novel which shows that the main character protagonist is growing from innocence to a state of maturity, a state where he learns and understands a lot of things. So that basically is captured in this particular option. It's growing from childhood to adulthood. For example, Oliver Twist or David Copperfields are excellent examples of a Bildungsroman novel where a little boy is growing up from a state of completely innocence and vulnerability to a grown-up man, adult, and he learns and understands the ways of the world. So it's a novel where the protagonist grows from innocence to adulthood to a state of maturity. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 19. Identify the figure of speech in the following sentence. The sentence is: the registration fee for the seminar has been fixed at rupees 500 per head.